Hey guys, welcome back. This is Qb Media Network, and my name is Bolaji James. In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how to install WordPress from the control panel. So, how to install WordPress in control panel? You have gotten a hosting and domain, and then you want to install WordPress on your new domain. How do we do that? So, first we head over to our Cpanel by typing the name of our domain. So in my case, I'll type this and then we'll put /cpanel, the name of our domain /cpanel, and the details for the cpanel must have been sent to you by your hosting company. So once you get the cpanel details from your hosting company, you just simply enter this address that we entered, and once you get here, you put in the username that was given to you and of course the password that was given to you. And if you wish to change it, of course I have a video on this channel showing you how to change your cpanel password. So I've changed mine, so I just entered my new one, and I'll click on login to login. So we have it like this. The cpanel of most hosting companies look almost the same. The arrangement might be different, but at least you have these tools like this. Maybe after email, instead of jet backup, you may have something different, but they are all the same. So they all looks the same. So we just have to scroll through this until we have where we have if you come to Softaculous, this is software, you see WordPress manager, but if you still keep going down, you see where we have Softaculous app installers. So you can see WordPress here. So you click on WordPress, and of course you will see that it says install. You can scroll down, let's see what other things there. There's nothing to do here, so you just simply click on install, and of course here the first thing is to choose protocol, so which I always advise you pick either HTTPS or HTTPS www, which is this. So you pick either of these, the third or the fourth, anyone is okay. Then probably since you are new, you might have just one domain, but in my case I have more than one, so you just have to click into this place and then pick anyone that you wish to use. So I'm going to pick store, and here where it says WP, you need to erase this. Please take that serious. You need to erase this out. So then you come over to this place. The reason you need to remove this is that if you don't remove it, take a look now. When it was WP, you see that if you look at this place, your web address is going to have /WP before people can reach the website address. So always make sure you erase that out. So here we have to give a site a name, and in this case we can just put anything there. So I am going to say let's say Kmart. Let's assume this is a shopping website, that's an e-commerce website, and of course we have to type in anything here. So we can say let's say your kids fashion hub. Okay, so something like that. Just a description of what the website is all about is what you type in here. Then of course you need to put in a username. We all know what username means, but please always avoid using this. Don't use this admin, because attackers always know that admin is the default username, so they will always try that first. So always use something else. I can decide to use Kmart, or I can say Kmart ng, something like that. So then the password here, let me hide this. So we're going to type in a strong password. Always ensure you have at least 90 to 100% here as the strength of your password. So in my case, I'm going to type in something like this. Okay, so I have this one has 100%. So always type in something strong. I advise. So then the email here, you've always seen you know, a professional email like support at your website.com or maybe .com.ng, hello at you know, you just need to, so you can leave it as admin and you can decide to change it. So in my case, let me say I want to use support, so support at then my you know, my domain.com. so I'll go ahead and just scroll down and click on install. So it's just that simple, pretty simple. It doesn't take much, so you just have to go through these steps, and in less than 5 seconds to 10 seconds this should be done, except there is a network issue or maybe your network is not strong enough. So that is it. Once you've done that, you have these two links. The first one is the front end. Is what we call it, the front end, because it's what the word says. And of course the second one is the back end, where you do what, where you work on your website. So it's the WordPress dashboard. So it's what we call the WordPress dashboard. And of course there are so many videos on how to work on the WordPress dashboard on this channel. Do well to check it out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop any comments or any concerns you may have under the video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.